Ever run a business that deals internationally? The struggle is real, managing multiple currencies, navigating complex regulations, and keeping track of every penny across borders. It can feel like a financial juggling act. Building context. In today's globalized world, seamless international transactions are crucial. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid by overseas clients or an e-commerce store selling worldwide, having the right tools to receive money internationally is essential. Here's the million-dollar question. Can Airwallex help you with that? The answer, yes, Airwallex can receive money. Absolutely. Airwallex acts as a one-stop shop for all your international financial needs. They offer a variety of solutions for receiving money internationally, including local bank accounts. Airwallex allows you to set up virtual bank accounts in multiple currencies. This means you can provide your clients with local account details, making it easier and cheaper for them to pay you. International payment links. Generate secure payment links that your clients can use to pay you in their preferred currency. This is a convenient option for one-time transactions or recurring payments. International transfers. For larger transactions, Airwallex facilitates secure and competitive currency exchange rates for direct bank transfers. Benefits of using Airwallex to receive money. So, why choose Airwallex over traditional methods? Here are a few compelling reasons. Simplified process. Airwallex eliminates the complexities of international transactions. No more dealing with multiple banks or navigating foreign exchange regulations. Cost-effective. Airwallex offers competitive exchange rates and transparent fees, saving you money compared to traditional banks. Streamlined reporting. Consolidate all your international transactions in one place with Airwallex's user-friendly reporting tools. Security. Airwallex prioritizes security, ensuring your funds are safe with industry-standard compliance measures. Different solutions for different needs. Airwallex caters to a variety of businesses. Freelancers can benefit from the ease and speed of receiving payments through local accounts or payment links. E-commerce businesses can offer a smooth checkout experience to international customers with local payment options. No matter your business size or industry, Airwallex has a solution to streamline your international money receiving process. Exploring Airwallex's features. Consider incorporating a short screencast here demonstrating how to set up a local account or payment link on Airwallex. Take some time to explore Airwallex's platform. You'll find helpful resources and tutorials to get you started. Their customer support team is also readily available to answer any questions you might have, making Airwallex work for you. Remember, a smooth international payment system is crucial for any business looking to expand its reach. Airwallex can be your partner in navigating the complexities of global finance. So, if you're tired of the international money receiving struggle, consider Airwallex. With their wide range of solutions and user-friendly platform, you can focus on running your business while Airwallex takes care of the rest. Call to action. Head over to Airwallex's website to learn more and see if it's the right fit for your business. Let them help you break free from the international finance juggling act. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy international business ventures.